Mandisa, I need to connect again.
Yeah, Nancy, the lunch book you're going to buy.
What's the pizza? Color is this? I'm going to smell this. Okay. Masala.
Luna Belly Sugla School in Dubam.
All my friends, I'm telling don't attack on the Father's Day.
What's home Taylor?
I will buy for him something nice like a new tie or a perfume.
Joe, I was thinking to buy my father the same thing. I don't mind this. What are you daydreaming about? What? So you didn't even hear one word we said. I took our to lunch is over. Let's go back to
I wonder what's wrong with your son.
Oh, my child, you are back? How was school? Bekumnandi mama, kodwa ikhona into eyenzekileyo esikoleni. Iyandenza ndacinga nzulu. Hayibo, what happened? Mama, since ndandingumntana omncinci ndakubona wena wedwa undikhulisa and ndabona ubhuti Sipho ngosenimdala. What are you talking about, Mandisa? Mama, iitshomi zam zithetha esikoleni zithetha uba zabanika ntoni ootata babo ngeFather's Day. And loo nto yandenza ndacinga ngutata wam since ungazange undixelele ngayo.
Oh, my child, where do I begin? It was love at the first sight. He was gentleman, tall and light in skin color. We dated for more than 4 years. We had you, our little precious gift. But before you were born, something happened between your father and I. Things changed. He became aggressive towards me. He would leave me alone in the house and come back drunk and calls me with name. He asked me a question that I'll never forget.
Indoni?
He said, "Nokwazi, kubani utata lo mntwana umthweleyo, ngoba mna andinguye." And next, he threw me out of the house with you on my stomach and bags on my back.
What was ungamkhangeli?
I did not want all these memories to come back. Sandimxelela utatakho. Ndathatha into egqithileyo ndayibeka ngemva. Ngoku ndingathanda uba nawe umxelele.
Okay, okay, Mama. I understand and I promise to move on with this situation.
Thank you, my child.
Look, guys, guess I've been around to Father's Day and tell up with Sipho a new tie along with the suit.
What?
But Sipho is not even your father, yeah?
Oh, Mandisa.
Come on, guys, let's give Mandisa a chance to explain. You guys don't understand, you know?
Aibo.
Sipho has been there for me and my mother for almost all my life. Now tell me, doesn't he deserve to be called a father by me? Utata wam zange bekhona ngexesha ndandimnida ngalo. And I accept Sipho as my mother's boyfriend and most of all, my father. Oh, Mandisa, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
We are sorry too, Mandisa.
Mandisa, let's go to Dubam.
It's okay, guys. Let's go home.